Welcome to LB Contractors, where honesty, quality and reliability are at the forefront of everything we do. Established in 1982, LB Contractors have excelled installing driveways, patios and landscaping gardens. What makes us different is that we offer high-quality services at very competitive prices, and a 5-year guarantee comes as standard on all of our private and commercial work. Whether your preference is for block paving, tarmac, resin or loose stone, we have the perfect solution for your new driveway or patio. We can also repair, restore and professionally clean existing paving to bring it back to life. Our garden landscaping services include fencing, brickwork, turfing and artificial grass. We also offer other general building works, including refurbishments and modernisation of any part of your home. Every job is overseen by a project manager who will offer advice and ensure that the finished project is exactly what you'd wished for. We are proud to be vetted and accepted as members of Trusted Trader, and we have many positive online reviews. For a free quotation and site visit, or just some friendly advice, contact LB Contractors today.